Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to attach a layer to another for two way. Okay. First, attach this layer into text. Right click mouse, create clipping marks. Okay. Now see this. Attach this Photoshop logo to the text. Another way to back Control Z, Control Alt Z. Okay. And this text, added this, hold Ctrl and select this layer, right click mouse, convert to smart object. Okay, now see this, attach layer, hold Ctrl Z for back. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.